Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all can see where I'm at. One of my favorite little spots, guys. That's right, Harbor Freights. All right, now, what is today? May the 2nd, right? Now, guys, y'all know I'm doing. Let me wait till this dumbbell shut up. I am doing 30K subscriber giveaway, right? 2 giveaway. Raffle. It's basically a raffle. It's the same type raffle I did at 20K. You know what's weird, guys? You know what I'm really shocked about or appreciative about is the fact that that raffle went on about 4 or 5 months ago, I want to say. I got to look at the date, but it wasn't that long ago. I did the 20,000K raffle, but now I'm at 30,000, and I want to do the same thing I did at 20,000, but give away some better tubes. Now, I'm not going in here to get tubes to raffle off. I have some business to take care of in here. That's for I need an air tank, man. My cars at the shop are all on flat, and we don't have an air tank, so I'm gonna have to break down and get my own. But I can, however, show y'all some of the tubes. In fact, hold tight right quick. All right, guys, so here is one of the tubes right here. These are some of the stuff I bought last go around at the 20,000, but they went unclaimed, guys. Okay, yes, guys won, but back then I didn't have rules that stated you had to be present to win. So I'm not gonna make that mistake this time. You literally have to be in the stream. The reason you have to be in the stream because you gotta go punch in a code that I'm gonna give you to enter. So it's like you have to be present to win. This is brand new Robbie 1. I got a real good deal on this at Home Depot about a year ago, and I haven't had a chance to use it, and I found out I don't really need it, so I just decided to use it. Same deal right here, guys. This Craftsman. And guys, keep in mind, you don't have to buy battery packs or anything. These come with battery packs. So this is 2 of the tubes I will be raffling off tonight. Now there's more. I just got to dig it all out. All right, this is the box a company sent me with a jump box in it. They want me to preview or do a review on their jump box. If I like it, guys, I'm gonna really talk this thing up. I need one of those little portable. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna do a review on that. But for the most part, guys, look at that drill and a impact. I want to say 2 Robbie 1 and a Craftsman. So this is 2 of the tubes I will be raffling. Brand new package still on it, guys. Shipping is gonna eat me up. I haven't decided whether I'm gonna require you to pay for shipping, but because it's a gift, that would be tacky. All right, I mean, who wants to pay $20 for a gift, even if it's only $20? These are the tools itself was a whole lot more than $20, but it wouldn't be considered a giveaway if you had to pay anything. You see what I'm saying? So I might bite the bullet. And plus, I appreciate you guys watching the ads or letting some of the ads play that can help pay for some of this stuff. But yes, now back to the matter at hand, guys. I really appreciate you guys. Oh, you don't know how much I appreciate it. 30,000 subscribers, that is a lot. Yes, guys, there's a starting point to everything. I remember when I was fighting to get 1,000 subscribers. Okay, yes, Caper can contest, and I'm sure Tim at Astro Auto Repairs can contest. It might have been a longer time for him, but listen, that is a milestone, huge milestone to me. Okay, and I noticed the progression that's going on. I'm getting a lot of help from YouTube, and I appreciate YouTube's help. All right, yes, I try to put out quality videos, but you also need help on the marketing side. Just like a record company, guys. If you don't have marketing, I mean, things can go sour. All right, so I really appreciate it. Now, the future of the channel. Yes, some things are about to change, guys. You know, with the growth comes necessary changes, and it's not even an option anymore. It's something I have to do, because with the event of a lot more people, a lot more subscribers coming, tougher and tougher questions. Guys literally want me to diagnose their cars for them over the phone or over the internet. That is extremely hard to do. So I'm gonna have to set up a separate account so I can talk with some of these people from a first-hand basic instead of tagging back and forth with questions, answers questions via. You will have a direct line. Some of the guys most of these guys are mechanics, and that's cool. I have no problem communicating with mechanics, but you can't. It's hard for a mechanic to wait on an answer from another mechanic a day later because he have a customer car tied up. You see what I'm saying? And he need answers now. So I have no problems helping him with that, but I have to start up something like a Patreon account where you can have direct answers. There's certain occasions where I can stop what I'm doing and help you troubleshoot your car. It's just gonna take a different strategy other than the normal way I've been doing it. Like you might post a question and maybe a day later before I can get to it, and I answer it, and you may have a follow-up question, and that may be a day later. So we're talking 2 or 3 days just for answers. That's not fair for your customer. So you may have to pay a subscriber fee to gain access to that feature. I had no choice, guys. I really have no choice, and it's not going to be no ridiculous thing. It's just I can get to every question in that category will be answered from a first, a basic. They comes first, and anything left over, afterwards. Yes, I can. I'm not gonna be a butthole. I'm still gonna answer every single question. It's just the strategy had to change. All right, but I'm excited about this tool giveaway. Okay. Yes, I have no use for those tools. I have a Milwaukee. My go-to drill set is Milwaukee. I have nothing against Robbie One or Craftsman, whichever one that was, but I'm sure all you aspiring mechanics or you mechanics, the raffle is open to everybody. I have females in the stream or in the chat room in the live stream. So yes, everybody's open to everybody, guys. All right, and I just tried to separate the new subscribers from the old subscribers last time. I ran into a problem with that. It became unfair because some guys was, man, I've been knowing you since you started, and I don't recognize the name because they changed their name. Whole different thing, but. And again, let me repeat, I'm not in here looking for tools for the raffle, guys. I'm looking for an air tank. The shop air tank keeps walking off. Management says he's not buying another one. So what do? You take matters into your own hand. And that is exactly what I'm about to do. Now, where are they is the question. So, I don't know. You would think they over here in this area, right? All the pressure washer stuff. Instead of fumbling my thumbs looking around, let me find some help. Hold tight, guys. Let me go ask somebody where is. I need one of them little cheap. It ain't got to be nothing big. Something. Every shop should have a freaking air tank anyway. Have their own personal one. So I'm not mad. Just I never thought I had to buy my own air tank. Yeah, I even need a little grinder. Yeah. We'll see. Let me go find out, guys. Hold tight. Excuse me. Where's the little air tanks? Did you put air in the tires? Oh, shit. All right, thanks, man. Yeah. Okay. Appreciate it. He's in the compressor area. So the little portable tank, he said they over here in the corner. Oh, yeah, we getting one. Oh, right here, baby. This is my range. Okay, what should I go with it? Only $10 different, guys. One is 11 gallons, one is 5 gallons. So basically, you're getting double the gallons for $10 more. And you know what? They don't even have this. Go figure. They have a small one, but not the large one. So I'm forced to get this one. 5 gallon. That's all I need. $30. Why not? Alright, guys, hold tight. Let me get this so we can move on.